1 minute. Good evening and welcome to the Useless Hour tonight. In tonight's discussion, we are going to discuss a dastardly attack on one of India's premier newsreaders. Who's that person? It's me. Somebody sent a rocket inside my house. Yes, sir, a rocket trying to kill me. Who's behind this dastardly attack? Who are these people who are doing this? Over here at Ground Zero, we had a chance to speak to those terrorists who are behind this attack. Let's have a look at what they have to say. Clearly, you can see the way they have responded. That this is an attack by Pakistan on India's newsreader. That too, premier newsreader. Something like this was found inside my house. Fully burnt. Just as I was trying to take a bath. Actually, take a dump. Joining me on the panel tonight is Mr. Jerry Varghese, eminent rocket scientist from Shivakasi. Hello, sir.
Hello, Arnab. How are you?
Mr. Jagdish Kuttawala, an animal rights activist.
Thank you, Arnab. Now listen, this is exactly what I've been fighting for the longest time, and this has been proven.
Yes, sir. Please hold on to that thought. Please hold on. You'll get your chance, sir. Please hold it. And Shireen Mistry.
Hi, Arnab. Kem che?
Majama che, tarama paase pajama che. Shireen Mistry happens to be a long-distance relative of Cyrus Mistry. And all the way from Pakistan joining me in this discussion, and the man probably behind this dastardly attack, Mr. Musharraf Sharif. Hello, General.
Assalamu alaikum, Janab.
Let me come back to the serious moment of this discussion. Let me get in Mr. Jerry Varghese. Can you see this rocket, sir? It was used to attack me. How come that people are getting their hands on these rockets?
Arnab, it is very clear from our records that no rocket was stolen from our facility. That means it does not belong to us. And according to this data here, it is clearly shown that if the rocket has to enter your house, it has to be at an angle of 90 degrees to the right, and then from the westerly direction, 37 degrees to the left, sir.
Does it become wakra, sir?
कभी-कभी ऐसा भी होता है, but generally वो थोड़ा left direction में रहता है.
I'm talking about your rocket, sir.
Your rocket.
You don't have to talk about my rocket, sir.
Listen to me, Mr. Arnab. This is exactly what we have been fighting for the longest time. Innocent creatures are being harmed.
1 second, sir. I agree with you. Right now, this kid who has just patched a call to, yes, Munna, aajao. Okay, clearly, Mr. Kuttawala, this little child is telling kaat ke phek dunga. Shireen Mistry, come in.
Excuse me. Why are you cutting me off? I'm on your side, Arnab.
1 second, sir. Please hold on to your thought. I'll be back with you. How dare you talk to me like that, sir?
How dare you speak to me that way? You can come here.
Please cut him off. Take his mic off.
Oh, wonderful. So now you want to cut me off?
Please leave the show. Please leave the studio. Oh, there's nobody over here. Shireen Mistry, come in. What happened with Cyrus?
See, Arnab, we are not supposed to disclose these details since they are private and confidential.
Come in, Mr. General Musharraf Sharif, sir. Yes. Are you behind this dastardly attack?
अरे जनाब हम दिवाली बनाते नहीं हैं.
Yes, Mr. Varghese.
It is somebody from that Ajay Devgan's team. I am telling you.
Mr. Varghese, 1 second. Are you mad? Why would Mr. Ajay Devgan do this to me?
Yeah, see, I am telling you, Shivai and Edile Mushkil released on the same day. It could be a plot to just destroy the other film's chances, you know.
1 second, sir. Are you a scientist or are you a black marketer in tickets, movie tickets?
Yes, I got this rocket from it. It is written on it, Ajay Devgan.
And Mr. General Musharraf Sharif.
देखिए
Mr. Sharif, please come in, sir. Can you see this? I got proof with me. Somebody put this sparkler. This is your handiwork, sir.
ये फेक है.
This is not fake. It's clearly written over here. MADE in Pakistan.
अजीब.
Exactly, this is propaganda.
There is no propaganda. There are only propagandos over here. Trying to burn me, sir. There is no propaganda.
No. I agree with you. Burning animals is absolutely unjust. If these firecrackers were to reach anywhere and people have pets in their homes.
Mr. Kuttawala, an attempt has been made to assassinate me and you're worried about your animals right now.
I am speaking of all animals, Arnab.
That's a different discussion, sir. Why are you getting that topic over here? It's all about me. My show is about me. And you're getting animals into this.
Arnab, last time I checked, you too are a social animal.
Fantastic, sir. Thank you so much for saying that. Shireen, come in.
I've been waiting my turn since when? What is this?
Madam, your turn has come right now. Please talk, Shireen.
I WhatsApp Cyrus and this is what he's replied to me. He said he doesn't know who he is.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for that inconclusive evidence that you're giving me right now. Last few seconds, 3 seconds. Shireen, come in.
Yeah, Arnab,
Thank you. That's all. Yeah, Mr. Varghese, last few words.
I think, see, you should all go and watch Edile Mushkil. Because Karan Johar is such a poor fellow.
Okay, great, sir. Do you like his last film, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum?
I like that film, but it is slightly confusing.
Sir, you are confusing. You're a doctor who's making rockets and you love Karan Johar's films. I don't think your rocket is going anywhere. Last few words from Mr. Musharraf Sharif. Please come in. I got proof, sir. It's written over here. Made in.
अरे जनाब हमारे बम जो हैं बॉर्डर के बाहर जाते ही नहीं है. वी बिलीव इन चॉपिंग.
I pronounce you guilty. Let there be war.
अरे मैं बता रहा हूँ ये सब फेक. आप समझते क्यों नहीं है? और मैं कब से बता रहा हूँ आपको हैं? और हमारे बम जो है हमारे घर में ही फट जाते हैं.
And last few words now from this child who's behind this dastardly attack on me.
बोटी बोटी कट हुए मादर चोद उन लड़कन का बुलाया हुए मौलानी के हाँ मादर चोद.
Such colorful language. That's all we have for you all in this discussion tonight. Thank you so much for joining me. Good night, Shabba Khair. I got with me two of my supporters. Actually, they are my security guards and they're protecting me from such vile attacks by people who do not want me to say the truth.
Please like, share.
Please subscribe to this.
और साथ ही कॉमेडी 1 ऐप को डाउनलोड करना iOS और प्ले स्टोर से. हाँ.